surveys. Use it whenever you normally would type. And then you're going to complete a short survey, and then you're going to get a $15 Amazon gift card. Top testers may join paid sessions up to $100 plus for deeper feedback. So if you complete the short survey, you're going to get the $15. And then if you, the top testers that really impress them, you know, they would get $100 plus. Now, what I will say about this is only for Mac users. So my Windows users, unfortunately, this won't apply to you. So make sure that you are a Mac user and not a Windows user. But I did reach out to this researcher, and they told me that they will be expanding this research program to where it's not only applicable for Mac users. Windows users will eventually be able to join in their beta program as well too. But for right now, it's only for Mac users. So follow these instructions. You're going to download the app on their actual website, and it's got clear instructions. And then step two is you're going to open an installer. You're going to double click to download a Whiskey AI DMG file. Follow the instructions to complete the installation. And then step three, you're going to open the app. You're going to locate the Whiskey AI and open it. The first time you open it, macro operating systems may show a message. And then you're just going to click open. And then if you see the app can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer, you're going to go into your system settings. You're going to click privacy and security. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and click open anyway. And you'll follow the rest of the instructions. You're going to create an account and follow all of the information. So, and then step five is going to be the onboarding. You're going to follow instructions to complete the onboarding process, and you are set. You're going to use the Whiskey AI whenever you normally would type your notes, reports, ideas, emails, or prompts. Your beta tasks and timeline. So between day 0 and 2, you're going to use the Whiskey naturally, no strict schedule. And then day 3, you're going to receive a survey at the address you used to sign up. After the survey, they're going to send you the $15 card automatically upon submission of your survey. And then week 1, some testers will be invited to a paid one-on-one study research program up to $100. You can get the help and join the community, Discord, email, program requirements. Is there a minimal usage? No strict minimum. Just use it naturally for a few days. And when do I receive the $15 gift card? Right after we confirm your day 3 survey. And then how do I get paid? Pay section. Active testers, the more you use it, the more they like that. So try to use it as much as you can, because a lot of people won't have the time to do that. And that's where maybe you come in and you can benefit from that, because you're going to get selected for that $100 paid study, like they said. So please make sure you're using this, following all the details. But other than that, you guys take care. Rocking with me all of this year. It's been a really fantastic year. We just hit 1,000 subscribers at this point, I hope. And I want to thank you guys for rocking with me going into next year. There will be a lot of changes to this channel. Just more ways to make money that's coming. I'm going to try to get a new format going for you guys. Let me know if you like this format, but if you don't, it's okay, because I'm going to be switching formats. Thinking about maybe showing more of my body, of more of a camera view, a view sitting in front of the camera, upright, stuff like that. Just so it's a change of pace, and you're not seeing me just sitting in the same chair. But that's neither there or here. This one is called Yappy, and it's for every AI for everyone. You can check out the latest answers from all of your latest AIs for free. Win rewards, share the future of AI. So you're going to go ahead and sign in with your uh, Google account, and it's got to verify that just to make sure that there's no robot going on. And here, you're going to sign in with your Google account. And just wait for it to process here. And then it's going to say, what's your first prompt? So it's going to ask you different prompts, get new ideas, and you can earn money just through just different prompt that you use. I would say empowering content creators worldwide. So this is all for my content creators. What it's going to do is going to help you to kind of grow, the content that you kind of make. So we're on a mission to democratize content creation through AI powered tools that help writers, bloggers, content creators produce high quality content faster and more efficiently. So they kind of help you with different content creations and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool to do. So their mission is to make high quality content creator accessible to everyone, regardless of their writing experience or technical background. We leverage cutting edge AI technology to promote or to provide important writing assistance, content optimization, and creative inspiration. They're building a supportive community of content creators who share knowledge, inspire each other, and grow together. So, ready to transform your content? Click here to get started. So it's going to ask you for your email address, your password, password confirm. And then when you're going to log in, you're going to see it's going to have like a whole dashboard where you can access different tools to help you to grow in your content creation. They're going to have support systems to be able to help you. They're going to have a community, and it's going to give you all of this good information that you need. So there's some of the features that you kind of need to know about is everything you need to know to create amazing content. So they're kind of helping you with your content. So like if you're a small YouTube channel, it's going to help you to kind of grow in a way. And I'm actually going to be talking about later on this week about something else that you'll be able to enter a cash giveaway that's going to even help you grow your content even more. Powerful features designed to transform your content creation workflow. It has an AI powered writing tool. It has SEO optimization. Now, people that's not familiar or that's not content creators, they probably wouldn't understand what SEO optimization means. It's search engine optimization, which means that it rank your when you post hashtags and stuff like that, it ranks it higher in the algorithm, so you can be able to so more people can be able to see your content. Without the SEO titles, you probably wouldn't the algorithm wouldn't push your content as much. It's a multi-platform publishing, lightning fast, global reach. So it's going to be able to help you with all of the good information. And here's some testimonials about it. Bloggy has completely transformed our content creation process. We increased our output by 300%. AI powered suggestions are incredibly accurate and contextual. Is like having a world class content. So these are all the people that's really satisfied with that. And then you have some general questions that people might ask. What is Bloggy? It's an AI powered content creation platform that helps bloggers, marketers, and business generate high quality blog posts. So more if you're more in the content, if you're more in the writing content niche, it's going to help you. But let me know if this is something that you like. If you don't like, please do as much as you can to go through this website, see if it works for you. But if it doesn't, it's okay. I have more content. I have more ways to make money online. Other than that, have a great day. Money Makers.